Oh no! Someone asks you this question in English. What do you say? Your mind is empty? You forget all your English words? Don't worry. Today I will teach you the easy way to talk about yourself. After this video, you will know exactly what to say. You will feel confident. You will sound great. Hello, friends. Welcome to Fluent Vibes. I help you speak English easily. Today's lesson is very important. How to introduce yourself. Let's start. When do we introduce ourselves? Many times. Meeting new friends, first day at work, first day at school, in English class, at parties, online meetings. This happens a lot, right? But good news, it's actually very easy. You just need to know 5 simple things to say. That's all. I will teach you what to say, how to say it, easy words to use, simple sentences that work every time. Ready? Let's learn together. Here is my simple formula. Just remember 5 things. 1. Your name. 2. Where you are from. 3. Your job or study. 4. What you like. 5. Say, nice to meet you. That's it. So simple. Let me show you. Hello, my name is Maria. I am from Brazil. I am a student. I like music. Nice to meet you. See? Very easy. Now let's learn each part step by step. First, tell people your name. Here are easy ways. Simple ways. My name is Fluent Vibes. I am Fluent Vibes. I'm Fluent Vibes. Examples. My name is Ahmed. I am Lisa. I'm David. If your name is difficult, my name is Xiao. You can call me Shaw. I'm Priyanka. Please call me Priya. Important tip. Say your name slowly and clearly. Like this. My name is John. Not fast like, my name is John. Practice now. Say, my name is, and add your name. Good job! Next, say where you are from. Very easy. Simple ways. I am from country. I come from city. I'm from place. Examples. I am from India. I come from Tokyo. I'm from Egypt. If you moved to a new place. I am from China, but I live in Canada. I'm from Mexico. Now I live here. You can add easy details. I am from Seoul. It's in Korea. I'm from a small city in Italy. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Just communicate. People will understand you. Now, tell people about your work or study. Keep it simple. If you work, I am a job. I work. I have a job. Job examples. I am a teacher. I am a driver. I work in a shop. I work in an office. If you study, I am a student. I study. I go to school. Study examples. I am a student. I study English. I go to university. I'm in high school. If you don't work now, I don't work now. I am looking for a job. I stay at home. Remember, simple is good. You don't need to explain everything. This part is fun. Talk about things you enjoy. Easy ways to start. I like. I love. I enjoy. Common things people like. Sports. I like football. I like swimming. I enjoy sports. Entertainment. I like movies. I love music. I like TV shows. Activities. I like cooking. I like reading. I enjoy walking. Food. I like pizza. I love coffee. I enjoy trying new food. With friends. I like talking with friends. I enjoy meeting people. Easy tip. Pick 2 or 3 things you like. Don't say too many. Good example. I like reading books and watching movies. Always end with a friendly sentence. Easy endings. Nice to meet you. Happy to meet you. Good to meet you. To continue talking. What about you? And you? How about you? Examples. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Happy to meet you. Where are you from? This shows you were friendly. It helps make new friends. Let's see everything together. Example 1, very simple. Hello, my name is Anna. I am from Russia. I am a student. I like dancing. Nice to meet you. Example 2, a little more. Hi, I'm Carlos. I'm from Spain. I work in a restaurant. I like football and music. Happy to meet you. What about you? Example 3 with easy details. Hello, my name is Yuki. I'm from Japan, but I live in London now. I study English. I like reading books and cooking food. Nice to meet you. See? All examples are easy but good. Don't make these mistakes. Mistake 1, talking too long. Bad. Talk for 5 minutes. Good. Talk for 30 seconds. Mistake 2, using difficult words. Bad. I'm passionate about literature. Good. I like books. Mistake 3. Speaking too fast. Bad. Hi, my name is John. I'm from Canada. Good. Hi. My name is John. I'm from Canada. Mistake 4. Being too shy. Bad. Whisper. My name is. Good. Clear voice. My name is. Mistake 5. Not smiling. Remember to smile. It helps. Here are more easy phrases you can use. To sound friendly. Hello, everyone. Hi there. Good morning. To show you're learning. My English is not perfect. I'm learning English. Sorry for my English. To ask for help. Is my English okay? Do you understand me? Can you speak slow me? To show interest. This is interesting. I'm happy to be here. Thank you for listening. Great job! Now you know how to introduce yourself in English. Remember, 1. Name. 2. Where from. 3. Job or study. 4. What you like. 5. Nice to meet you. So easy, right? Write your introduction in the comments. I want to meet you. Did this video help you? Please like this video. Subscribe to Fluent Vibes. Click the bell for new videos. Remember, English is not scary. You can do this. I believe in you. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.